Benefit number 3 is methodologies. We all have ways of doing things, and it will get us to the end goal in the end, but how are we going to get there? You might have heard of some methodologies. Apart from the APM body of knowledge, you might have heard of Prince 2 or even now Agile, but what do they mean? It's not unusual for sector-specific methodologies to emerge, or even organisational specific, such as the NHS or Network Rail. The body of knowledge is a methodology that can be used for any sector, and as project management maturity increases, made more specific where necessary. Some key questions that need to be asked and understood: what do we need to manage? How are we going to manage it? Along with the project management theory, apprentices will be shown tools and techniques that can help manage projects successfully. We will include an introduction to Microsoft Project on our programme, and we have actually recently been engaging with one of our current apprentices team leaders on doing something similar for the wider team. Other tools might be the format of a risk log, the components of a project management plan, or even how to go about making sure that knowledge is captured and shared throughout the business. This is especially important during the doing stages of a project, what we call the deployment phase, where change will happen as it always does, and how this is controlled and then signed off using the correct governance structures is incredibly important. Since 2020, the way that we work has undergone a dramatic change, or for a good portion of us. This means that we are now more reliant on technologies, and we need the skills to use these. It would be good if all these technologies spoke to one another, but they don't. Anyone in a large business who has needed to procure something will have been faced with a financial system that is usually central to the business. This means that you might not even have access to directly procure yourself, but you're reliant on someone else in the business. This needs understanding and managing. And as projects are unique, this means that sometimes the skill sets are something that we cannot provide, in which case we need subject matter experts, or SMEs. Those SMEs will need to align to the way that we are delivering projects, and sometimes that can be hard work. Again, a better understanding of this is important. The apprenticeship will explore different methodologies, and through colleagues on the apprenticeship, there will be learning about other approaches that might be of benefit to you.